everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these pretty floral fall nails. So this first color I'm using is Light Elegance's Main Attraction. This one is a super deep metallic purple. It's really pretty. This one is from their fall collection. I will leave a link down below to my swatch video of Ellie's fall collection. And I am going to be applying the Ellie colors with my Light Elegance Oval No. 4 brush. So I will be applying Main Attraction to my pinky and pointer finger as well as my thumb. The second color I'm using is Light Elegance's Come One, Come All, again from their fall collection. This one is a light purpley gray color. And I will be applying this color to my ring and middle finger. And now I'm going to use Young Nails gel brush, and with Young Nails builder gel I'm going to encapsulate all of my nails. Here I'm taking Young Nails Flex. This is just a super runny gel, and I'm applying a thin layer of this to my pointer finger. The glitter I use in this set is Glitter Heaven Australia's Lady Bling. It's got a mix of silver and purple holographic glitters. So while the gel is still wet on my pointer finger, I'm just going to dip my finger into the glitter and then press as much of that glitter down and take off any excess. After that glitter is fully cured down, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the nail by encapsulating it with Young Nails Builder Gel. So all the nails have been fully cured, and I did finish file off camera, so here is what it looks like without any top gloss. So now we're going to move on to the nail art. We're going to do some stamping using Clear Jelly Stamper Rose's Floral Garden, and this one just has a bunch of layered floral patterns, and this plate is Clear Jelly Stamper's collaboration with Talia's Nail Tails. And I will be doing all of my stamping with my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling Stamper. The base color I'm going to use for the stamping is Sinful Colors Karnival. This one was in collaboration with Kylie Jenner's. And this color is a dark metallic shade that matches pretty well with Main Attraction. So here I'm using Karnival for the base of the flower, and then I am using a lint roller to take off any of those excess images that we don't want to stamp. Then I use my clear stamper to apply it to the nail where I want it. The second color I'm going to use to stamp the flower with is Sally Hansen's Wisteria, and this one is in collaboration with Crayola. This color is a super light pinky purple. So we're going to take Wisteria and we're going to stamp the second layer of the flower. And here you can see me turning it around. I am looking at the plate and kind of lining it up with the base of the flower. This is where it gets a little tricky with the layered stamping plate, so you do want to line it up as best as possible, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And the final color we're going to use for the flower is Silver Stallion. This one again is Sally Hansen. And this one is just a perfect metallic silver. So we're going to take the silver and that last image for the flower, line it up, and now the flower is complete. So these layered stamping plates are super cool. I will link a couple videos down below from Talia's Nail Tales on how she uses the clear jelly stamper layering plates. And for the rest of this time, I will be using different flowers and layering them with the same colors I did in that first flower. And you can just see how I finished off the design. I will clean up any excess nail polish that got on the skin with some acetone, but as you can see, I hardly got any on the skin with this design. So here is what my nails look like with all of the stamping on them. And we're going to move on to the thumb, where I will be applying some crystals. I will be using this nail glue I got from Sally's. And then the Swarovski crystals I will be using is Amethyst and Crystal AB. So I did miss the first part of this where I applied the larger crystals, but here you can see me applying the smaller crystals with my crystal katana. So now here is the final step. We are going to go in and top gloss all of the nails, and today I will be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so there you have it. Here is the finished design. I did differ my hands a little bit, just switching around two of the nails, but I love this design. It's perfect for fall. You could even incorporate this design into the spring as well. I've been getting so many compliments on these nails. Everyone's been asking me where I get them done, and everyone loves this glitter. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a like if you liked it, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!